Hello and welcome guys. Are you a blogger and looking for a condenser mic for recording? Then stop looking, as today we are going to present you the Maono AU-PM461TR USB condenser mic for PC. So without any further delay, let's get started. Before unboxing, allow me to give you a brief look at the specifications mentioned on the box. It has 14mm large mic capsule and high-speed USB plug and play. Let's see the other side of the box. It has cardioid polar pattern, professional sound chipset, high-resolution sampling rate, and it is compatible with Windows and Mac OS. It's time to unbox and let's see the main product now. It comes with a tripod, USB cable and a user manual. This USB microphone has a built-in professional sound chipset and 14mm electret condenser transducer. 192 kHz by 24-bit sampling rate, which lets you capture the clear and smooth sound. It has a premium construction design with a stable tripod stand, which is convenient for doing voiceover and live streams. It comes with a cardioid pickup pattern that suppresses unwanted background noises and captures the clear sound in front of the mic. It has a convenient mic gain knob. It has excellent sound quality with a 14mm diaphragm condenser and higher sensitivity and a professional chipset. It has noise reduction, as this studio microphone captures more natural sound and suppresses unwanted background noise. It comes with an easy plug-and-play feature. No need for any driver software or audio interface. It is a sturdy, flexible tripod, 180 degrees. The product weight is 450 grams. Product dimensions are 11 x 3 x 3 cm. The mic gain knob can increase the sensitivity of the mic, so you can adjust the volume easily and quickly without sound distortion. You just need to unfold the tripod and attach it to the microphone. 180-degree flexible design allows you to adjust any angle you want. No additional driver software or external devices is required. The USB microphone can be immediately recognized by Mac or Windows system and begin recording in less than a minute. It comes with a 1-year warranty. This plug-and-play, easy-to-use, lightweight Maono AU-PM461TR USB condenser mic for PC and singing, recording microphone is perfect for your vlogging, gaming, podcast, etc.